The Bucyrus 495 mining shovel is a true behemoth of the mining industry, standing at over 22 meters tall and weighing nearly 15,000 tons. This massive machine embodies the raw power and precision that are essential in mining operations around the world. As the shovel begins to move, the ground trembles under its weight. Its massive boom and stick, made from high-strength steel, allow it to dig with incredible force and accuracy. And with its advanced control system, the operator can extract ore with pinpoint precision. But it's not just the Bucyrus 495's power and precision that make it stand out. This innovative machine is designed for maximum efficiency, with an electric drive system that allows it to operate at peak performance while minimizing energy consumption. As the Bucyrus moves across the mine site, its sheer size and power are truly awe-inspiring. But it's the combination of power, precision, and efficiency that make it a force to be reckoned with in the mining field.